Welcome back to Rock Run House. Right now we're focused on the joys of the fall season. We have apple pie at the bread stand and the barn market, apple jam, and of course our bread that we have every week, both at the stand and in the market. So I hope you enjoy this video as you see what's happening at Rock Run House.
Off the little tiny bits.
A few years ago, we put in a wildflower garden on the side of the barn. And when we did so, all of a sudden, horseradish started emerging, horseradish leaves. So I realized it must have been an old patch that I just didn't notice or that had been choked out. So we harvested some and are looking forward to having some horseradish.
I'm assuming this thing needs a lot of water.
Yeah. Another thing we've been trying to take care of is watering the gardens because the drought in Ohio has been severe. I think it's the worst since 1988, and I don't think it's rained for 50 days. I don't know, the longest I remember in my lifetime, and it is quite miserable for these poor plants. So we're trying to save their lives and praying that we have rain soon, and looking forward to the first snowfall to provide precipitation. In our barn where we have the barn markets, Paul built a drying rack for the goldenrod and other flowers, many of which we grew. And then we also have a space in the barn market for the flour we sell, honey, and all sorts of good things. We try to have for a variety of baked goods on the weekends, mostly sourdough related. So if you're in the area, please stop by. We'll be open every Saturday, more or less, from now through Christmas time. So we hope to see you here at Rock Run House. Thanks for stopping by on this video, and would love to see you in real life.